So what happens, now when these pressure systems are on the surface of the earth, they have their own characteristics. A low pressure system where isobars are tightly packed, it is going outwards in this direction, forming a trough, a V-shaped called as trough. In low pressure, we have bad weather. Bad weather in the sense, we have strong winds, we have rain, we have other activities which are happening, which I said yesterday, which I had covered yesterday also. Weather is a little bad, but visibility is good. Why is that? Because तुम सोचोगे if weather is bad, how can the visibility be good? The problem is, as the winds are strong here and they rise upwards, all the dirt or the dust particles which are there in the atmosphere or small pollutants which are there, which reduce our visibility, they go upwards. And as these pollutants and dust particles and dirt and all these things, they go upwards, it increases our horizontal visibility. You can say weather is bad, winds are strong, but your horizontal visibility will be good. Because all these dust particles, pollutants and all, they go up. With the wind, they go up, increasing our surface horizontal visibility. You can see farther, very far. High pressure, on the other hand, is calm conditions. It is associated with calm conditions. Here, what happens is, as the air rose up, upper temperature is colder, above temperature is cold, the air went up, the molecules which went upwards, they got cold, and as they got cold, they again came down because it became heavier. Temperature change ho gaya na. Earlier supposedly there was warm temperature below, earth was getting heated because of the sun, air is rising upwards, air went up, now temperature is cold up there. At a certain point of time, they start feeling colder and they become heavier because cold air is denser in nature. Molecules will become colder. The weight of the molecules will now, the tendency of the air is what? As it becomes colder, it is becoming denser, and denser thing usually sinks down, right? If you throw a stone in the water, it will sink down. But if you throw a piece of paper, would it? Because paper is not dense. Stone is dense, a rock is dense. So as these molecules become colder, they start sinking down again. And as they sink down again, they bring back those impurities along with them. Understanding? The low pressure mein, all the impurities went up. Molecules all along with the impurities went up. Now it got colder, they start sinking back down, bringing back those impurities again back on the ground or towards the ground. Now what will happen to the visibility in high pressure? Decreases. Now visibility will again start getting bad. Flying conditions ke liye high pressure is good because there is no weather conditions as such, but visibility is poor. Hazy, you'll see haze, dust particles and all. You can't look very far. Understanding my point?